Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're starting by confirming essentials, which device holds the data allowance and the account credentials. Once you know the device and whether your plan is prepaid or postpaid, open the provider app or website and sign in. Make sure you have your PIN or password ready and any two-factor method available. If you're on a shared plan, identify the primary account holder. This gets you straight to the point so you can query actual usage without wasting time on guesswork. Now you'll navigate to the data usage or billing section to see exact numbers. Once there, read the current period total, the remaining gigabytes, and the day your allowance resets so you can plan. Make sure to toggle to per device or per app views if offered. This explains where data is going. If you see unusually high usage, note timestamps and apps listed. Write down the exact remaining GB and the reset date so you can manage consumption over the cycle. To finish, set usage alerts and, if possible, a cap to stop data once you hit a limit. This prevents surprise charges. Then save or screenshot the remaining gigabytes and the reset date so you can check at a glance. If the total's looking correct, restart the device and refresh the app. Make sure your app is updated and you're viewing the correct billing period. If discrepancies persist, contact customer support with screenshots and timestamps for faster resolution.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.